everyone, welcome to today's video. As you can see, I have shown up on your screen with a completely bare face, which means that I have a makeup tutorial coming your way. And not just any makeup tutorial, but a highly requested, highly overdue makeup tutorial. I have done everyday 10-minute makeup looks over the years, but I have not done one in quite a while. I have a lot of errands to run today, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to show you the makeup that I would put on for a day like today. So I've taken a shower, put my hair up in a messy bun, I've got some comfy clothes on, my face is moisturized, and the first product I use is a concealer and foundation combo. This is the Merit Beauty Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, and great for sensitive skin. So what I do is I draw a few lines on the face, like so, and then I take my Merit brush number 1 and buff it out. Look how easy that is. The coverage is so natural. And by the way, I would like to thank Merit for sponsoring this video. When they reached out to me about a collaboration, I knew that this is the type of video that I wanted to show their products in because that's what I use them for. I always reach for my Merit products when I need fast yet polished looking makeup. I mean, when I think of Merit, I think of minimalist beauty. And yes, you all know how much I love my full glam, but I also have days like today where I don't want to spend 30 minutes applying my makeup. So the appropriately named Minimalist Complexion Stick is now on my face, but I'm also going to apply it to my under eyes. And so for that, I like to take a little bit of the product on a brush and just go right in. And I actually take it over my eyelids as well. Look at that coverage. By the way, the coverage is buildable on the face as well. I went with light coverage today, but you could go in with another layer and continue to build it up without having it look really cakey. And because I am working with Merit on this video, they have offered my Risa Does Makeup viewers a very special deal. They have put together a Risa's Favorites custom set. And I'll tell you everything that's in this set towards the end of the video, but I can tell you that it does include this complexion stick and the number 1 brush, or brush number 1. So after I've applied foundation and concealer, I'm going to fill in my brows really quickly. Now, if you already have good brows, this is not a step you probably need to do, but if I don't put any other makeup on besides foundation and concealer, I will always want to put on brows, mascara, and some sort of lip and cheek product. So whatever product works best for you for applying brows quickly is obviously what you're going to want to reach for, whether it's a pencil, a pomade, tinted gel. You just want to choose which one is the fastest. And for me, it's this product from Benefit because I need both color and fullness. Now, because I do have oily skin, I do like to set everything with a little bit of powder. I'm just taking a random loose powder that I found sitting here on my vanity. Well, not my vanity, this is my filming area. I keep, like a lot of YouTubers, I keep a selection of products close by for emergency use. So I'm just lightly dusting this all over. And even though I did just powder, I can still go in with this sheer bronzing stick from Merit. This is such a great product. I talk about it a lot in my videos. I use it to contour and lightly bronze. But honestly, this is sort of an optional step. I just like to warm up my skin with a little bronzer. And this one is just so easy to work with and looks so natural. For my eyes, I'm just using 2 products, a cream eyeshadow and mascara. This is the Merit Solo Eyeshadow in the shade Vachetta. And I just apply this with my fingers. And I put it all over my mobile lid. This is such an excellent one and done eyeshadow. You can layer it if you want more intensity. I just love this color so much. It's perfect. for, well, any eye color really, but I especially love it against my blue eyes. And then I do like to take my finger and blend it out and up towards my temples. Next, I gotta curl my lashes. And now I'm applying the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. It lengthens and lifts your lashes without smudging. Nobody wants smudges. And I love how it holds the curl. So many mascaras, as you probably know, just pull that curl right out. And this gives me such long, dark, and feathery lashes. I mean, look. And I get so much separation without clumping. So this is also in my Risa's Favorites set. And now I'm just applying a little bit to the bottom lashes. Now it's time for my favorite part, the Flush Balm. I own these in so many shades. They are perfect for adding the most natural looking flush of color to your cheeks and to your lips. And as I was saying, I think I said this at the beginning of the video, I love a multi-purpose product, especially when you're in a hurry. There's nothing better. So I'm going to take this Flush Balm, and I personally like to just use my fingertips. And look at that. And this color is my favorite. It's the shade Rouge. A lot of people might look at this and think, oh, no way, that's way too bright. But look at that. I don't know about you, but I feel like this just gives such a pretty, like just in from the cold type of flush, which is my favorite type of look. And it's buildable. So you can add more if you want to be super blushy. And if you know me at all, you know I like to be super blushy. And guess what, guys? We are almost done. And did I mention yet that this is in my Risa's Favorites as well? I'm finishing off the look with lips. I personally like to use lip liner to outline my lips to give them a little bit more shape. I'm using one from Victoria Beckham that is very, very close to my natural lip shade. And then I'm taking the same Flush Balm that I used on my cheeks, and I'm applying it to my lips. And you can apply it like this, or you can apply it in the same way that I applied it to the cheeks with your finger. And I like to really pat it out so it's more like a soft stain, because then I go over it with this little guy, a Merit Shade Slick. This is a lightweight, moisturizing, buildable lip oil that offers a really beautiful high shine finish. So yeah, that is it. My go-to 10-minute, effortless, minimalist, everyday makeup look. Now let me review what is in the Risa's Favorites custom set. You get the Minimalist Complexion Stick, a Flush Balm, the Clean Lash Mascara, brush number 1, and a Shade Slick. The retail value of all 5 of these is $150, but Merit has kindly offered my Risa Does Makeup family 15% off, so you can purchase the custom set for just $128. Of course, I will have all of the products, along with their shade names, listed down below in the description box, as well as right up at the top, there will be a link to shop that custom set. I am ready to head off and do my errands that I really don't want to do, but at least it's a beautiful day here in Las Vegas today. It has been so cold and windy, and we're finally getting a perfectly sunny, not so windy, 80-degree day, which is what I moved here for. Oh my goodness, something I almost forgot to tell you. When you place your first order from Merit, your products will come in this adorable signature bag. Putting everything in, and then you take this and twist it around. So stinking cute. So that's it. That is my 10-minute everyday makeup look. I hope you will give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I also hope you will consider subscribing to my channel if you have not already. I do post new content at least twice per week. You can also find more content from me over on Instagram and TikTok. My username is Risa Does Makeup on every platform. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.